Meet the teacher night station and rotation idea. This video is going to show what it looks like to use rotation stations for Meet the Teacher Night. Each family rotates through the stations, and the stations are numbered from 1 to however many stations you have. The stations include a sign-in sheet, management, where they look at the rules on the wall and other expectations on the table. They also can pick up a sheet for class Dojo if you use that. Their first homework assignment is Me in the Bag, and my Me in the Bag is displayed on the table so the families know how they can do it, what to expect, and what it could look like. They also have an informational sign. That is where they pick up all the handouts that they need and they have to return. They also have a snack at the end, but before that, they also have cell phone expectations with the bin so the parents know what to do with their cell phone. And they end with a snack. Thanks for popping in.